few months ago, I was 100 kilograms, 102 kilograms, and I took seriously my journey of exercising, running, doing my 10,000 steps to the point where I started developing muscles, and I reached a point where I was at 91.7 kilograms, right? Really proud of that, really, it was amazing. And I just realized that it's been more than a month that I didn't exercise regularly. I mean, I do my 120 push-ups every day. That's basically all I do. And last week I went out to the calisthenic park for 15 minutes because I had the intention to start doing it again. And today I went on the balance to weigh myself, and I saw that I'm at 93.7. So I gained back 2 kilograms. But the thing is, this is the result now. So potentially there might be more kilograms on their way back the following week or weeks. So when I saw that, I realized, oh, this is a waking call. Because recently I realized I catch myself looking for something to eat in the kitchen when it's not time to eat at all. I started eating waffle cake from the grocery store, yogurt. I drink more coffee. And somewhere along the way, I sensed that I wasn't supposed to do all that, you know. I felt it. I felt like, okay, maybe this should stop. But since I keep seeing my body in the mirror looking nice, I'm like, okay, no, I'm still good. Just today, I was about to record a video, more or less like this, and then I saw that my face has a little bit of over skin, and then that was the trigger for me to go on the weight balance, right? Why am I saying this? I'm a spiritual life coach, and spirituality is pretty simple. In order for you to receive the information that you need to live the life that you want to live as a spiritual life coach and help others, you must be at a certain level of vibration. Your energy must be of a certain quality. And you have 4 aspects that actually define where your vibrations are, where your energy is. And those aspects are pretty simple. You must look at it as a triangle, right? I'm doing this because my hand is holding the phone. So see this, imagine the other triangle there, the other part of the triangle. So the base of the triangle, so my thumb, is the mental. Now the 2 sides are emotional and physical. And then the peak of the triangle above is the spiritual. That's who we are as human beings. But because of the lies that happen on planet Earth throughout the centuries and centuries and centuries, the triangle is now reversed, right? We have this triangle where the mental is on the top and the spiritual is at the bottom. Because of the way we think, the actions that we take. If you see the state of the world, the war, the discrimination, the racism, the killing, the raping, and all that, those are the signs that you know that the triangle is reversed. So in order for you to get your triangle back to the original form intended by Source, by all the is, was, and ever shall be, by us, when we were still in the oneness, we must then work on our fourfold being. So each layer must be worked on. And like I told you, one of the layers is the physical, which means exercising. So today I had the realization that I can never get complacent. I can never reach a level and feel like, oh yeah, this is good, now let me slow down. Oh no. It's a forever thing, you know? It's like brushing your teeth. Why would you stop? So I am making this video because today I realized it's time to go back again. Go back again with the same intensity that I had, if not even more. I think it would serve me to write a plan on how much I intend to exercise every week, how long, what I'm gonna do. Basically have a plan. And I'm making this video for any man or woman out there wondering how they can change their life, why they are living the life that they're currently living. Honestly, if you just focus on those 4 aspects and you search for the truthful information from source, God, all there is, you will know exactly what you can do in order to improve the quality of your life. My life has changed drastically since I came across the information from source. Not only externally, but mostly internally. And it is because of the internal shift that now I can have this type of perspective, that I can think this big and move accordingly to the way I think. Before I would think big, but I wouldn't move big, right? I wouldn't. And the last thing that I want to leave you with is, if you look at 2 people, let's say they're twin brothers or twin sisters, they have the same height, the same weight, the same everything, right? But then what changes is one is exercising 4 times a week and the other is never exercising. Fast forward 2 years later, who is more ready to navigate through ebbs and flows of life? Who's more ready to launch a business and go through whatever is required? Who is more ready to receive what the universe has for him or her? Is it the person that has been exercising their body or the person that haven't? Let me know in the comments.